Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I've got a 2012 4.2 V8 Range Rover here, and I want to just show you the belts. There's two belts on here. If you're battling with to install them, number one, and number two, the routing needs to be correct. Okay, so you have to take this little pulley off here that houses your viscous fan, and then get to the back here. And once you're in the back here, you can take the bracket off and your belt can go through there. All right, so that's just one thing that's a bit tricky here. You've got a roller there, alternator. The belt goes up over the water pump, down to the aircon, and then down to the power steering, back over the crank, comes back over here. There's your tensioner, and then it just follows through here. It runs over another roller there, and then obviously alternator and same thing. All right, and then here we've got your supercharger here. Goes down to the viscous pulley, goes around the crank, and then this is your tensioner right here. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.